Hi, my electronic friends. Nature's power. Nature's power is transformative. And walking among trees, you absorb their strength and energy. Sitting in the park, the rustling leaves and fresh air lift your mood, replacing stress with calm. By the shore, listening the waves, watching the horizon, you feel life vast possibilities. And the bird songs fill the air, its melody sparking joy and reminding you of simple beauty. Nature teaches us to be present, to breathe deeply, and to find peace in chaos. Let it inspire you. Rise with the resilience of the trees. Embrace the rhythm of the ocean and let the world's energy fuel your journey. You are part of its magic. You know that. So enjoy the nature. Just listening the song, sitting among the trees, walking through the park. This will definitely change your mood and it gives you the unique energy. Stay blessed. Thank you.